Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cook barbecue in a pan. But before that,
So for today's episode, it's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to open my very first Le Crusade. So thank you very much, Grace and Roger, for gifting me this beautiful cookware. You can find their links in the description below.
this is my first gift and unboxing for this channel. On this side, you can see the color of your cookware and the barcode of your cookware. Le Creuset is a premium French brand known for colorful cast iron cookware. I got mine in color red. There are a lot of colors and designs to choose from. Let me hear your thoughts. Anong pagkaing Pinoy ang gusto niyong lutuin ko dito? Put your comments below. I am excited about this because I heard a lot of good reviews on this product. Ikaw, ano ang kwento mo? Thank you very much. This is my first ever Le Creuset.
Thank you very much, Grace and Roger. You can find their links in the description below.
Let's start cooking. We need 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 for marinade and 1 for barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon paprika, chili flakes, optional, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce or 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons sriracha or ketchup, 2 tablespoons Segunda sugar, and 5 pieces leg quarters. Pan, turner, silicone wire whisk, measuring cup and spoon, make sure your chicken is clean and dry it with a paper towel. Marinade with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Massage your chicken with salt and vinegar. Add olive oil in a preheated pan. Sear your chicken for 3 minutes each side, skin of the chicken side down. In the meantime, while searing, let's mix the barbecue sauce. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Mix all your barbecue sauce ingredients. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons sriracha, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons Segunda sugar, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, mix all your barbecue sauce ingredients. Put 1/4 cup water, let it boil in the same pan where you sear your chicken. Put back the chicken, boil, and simmer for 40 to 45 minutes in a low-medium heat and cover it. serve with your favorite vegetables and chili flakes on top. There you have it, our chicken barbecue cooked in a pan.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majinwood Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Yay! I have my very first